Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a realistic AI girlfriend video using your phone or PC. So you'll learn how to use AI tools, and here I'm going to use the video from Google AI Studio. So let's just get started. So this is the example of the video. I'm using a photo and add a girlfriend to the photo. So let me show you how you can make this. So first you can just head to the aistudio.google.com. Make sure that you've already logged into your Google account. Go to the generate media options, and here click on this video to create clips and animate images using generative video. Now here is the prompt that I used. Turn this photo of a man sitting on a bench into a short cinematic clip. Add an AI generated girlfriend next to him, both smiling and talking naturally. Keep the background consistent and lighting soft and romantic. So now, the next step is you can just upload the photo. You can click on the post button, upload image, and in here you can choose the photo. For example, I'm going to use the previous photo. You can upload it. And after that, you can click on run. So after a while, the video will be finished, and this is how it will look like. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.